Hello and welcome. This is Cordless Planer, 20 volts, PPHA, 20 Li, B2, from Parkside Performance Series. All black tools from Parkside are Performance Series. Advantages over standard tools are 10 times longer motor life, because it's brushless. It consumes less energy from batteries. It seems that the quality of the black tools is superior. The handle is ergonomic, and does not really weigh too much. It looks really good. It appears like a professional tool, actually, can even be compared to professional tools. Fancy. Let's start it for the first time. Are we covering our ears? I take the risk, and don't use earplugs. Okay, it don't make too much noise. Wow. I saw planers making an infernal noise. It's not silent, but it's not extremely noisy either. Nice. A few things must be mentioned here. Yes, you should know that it is the first time I use a tool of this kind. I only used manual planer in the past. I bought it for a project to build wooden walls for a shed. I have neither a good position, nor a straight bank. But for those who have worked with something like this, I think they will realize if this tool is worth buying. Or not. I don't know, but I think he does a good job. It goes very easily. Easy to handle, but I stay far away, to be able to record the video. Don't forget that I have the tripod in front of me, and I don't have an ideal position to work. It is not fixed to the bank, and has no way of coming out straight. It goes very easily. I don't know what else I can show you. I am not sorry that I bought it. I don't know if I showed you what you will be interested in, but I hope so. As long as I worked with it, the 4-amp battery did not drop a single line. These are apps for those who want to install PV system, for their workshop or home. It really teaches you to calculate, repair, or check the system. All the best, and please subscribe if you liked it.